Enugu this year. This is not the end. That's why we're saying doubling down. So the next set of roads might be doubling down on the number that we are here discussing. His Excellency's vision is that there will be no unpaved road in Enugu. That's what he's working towards. So every area will be captured. It's an equitable distribution, but we're doing it in phases based on a list of criteria that has been agreed with His Excellency and the experts in the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure. Namdi Azikiwe Stadium. As you well know, um, Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium is well overdue for an upgrade. And as you also know, His Excellency has directed that such upgrade be holistic. And so we got to update Council today about how far we've gone. First, it would interest you to know that the new plans involve a complete canopy cover.